the summer of love.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be playing My Summer Car. Like I told you guys, it's a little bit laggy because I'm recording, of course. But I'll do something to make it less laggy. I have a car and got a couple Segarates. We're building the engine that's over there. I haven't played this game with this much lag in a while, but today we're going to be finishing the engine in My Summer Car. Sorry, I'm not going to create a new save game, but I got a lot of stuff on the car. So I'm pretty sure this game is going to be pretty amusing to you when we have the engine in and stuff. It's going to look pretty cool. And I'll see you guys in a minute to see if I can try to fix this. Okay guys, it is, I think, less laggy than before. Let's check here. So, go to Bandicam, and of course it's recording, like it always is, and now it's game recording, okay?
Wait, how do I
So, now I'm gonna see you guys soon, and I'll see you guys in a second. You guys, my sister just did her intro for her Roblox video. Shout out to her. Her channel is Pro Sister
Vlogs?
No, it's just Pro Sister.
Did you change it?
Yeah. No, it's just Pro Sister. It's been Pro Sister for a while. But okay.
Hi guys.
So I think we're ready to play My Summer Car. Okay, so I got all this stuff on so far. The engine. Now we just gotta do this. Okay. Crap. Okay. Okay. So what you want to do, now that you got all that on, grab your engine plate. Okay. Put this on like this until it has the check mark, and then you can put it on. So what you want to get next is this flywheel. Put this on right here, and these bolts should be a 6, I am pretty sure. It's a 5, 6. This is not the stock one. I actually bought this. Oh god, my stress is high. How the heck is that happening? I just smoked. I'll see you guys when I have everything built. Guys, I have figured out the bolt size. It's a 7. So we're gonna get this bolted in. Okay. Okay. We have to get the clutch cover plate. Put this on here. There we go. It is, I think, a 6. This is actually correct since it is a 6. I'm surprised I'm getting the same frame rate as I am when I'm usually playing. So this is really cool. If you guys want to see more of My Summer Car videos, I will give it to you no matter what. just tell me in the comments down below if you liked the last video. If you liked the last video, I will give you a shout out because, yeah, if we reach about 20 subscribers by the end of 2017, I will be doing a Q&A on my Instagram. Go follow me. Instagram link down below. I only have a picture of my dog there. But if you guys want me to upload more, I will. So the next thing you need to put on here, you can actually just what you want to do before you put the gearbox on, take the spark plugs. I think this is spark plug number 2. Put here. Where's this spark plug go? So I think we need to put spark plug number 1 in first. Put this right here. Let's go get number 1. Okay. See you guys when I get the spark plugs in. Okay, guys. We're gonna crouch down, take the wrench spark plug socket. Whoa, did I just die or what? No, I didn't. Okay, so you wanna go up to these. They won't say green or anything, it'll just say go. And so now we're just gonna put it in fast as we can.
Guys, it's happening. Let's see what the winners are. I didn't win, guys. The girl always know, like,
Okay.
always win.
So I'll tell you guys when I get some of the rest of the parts on.
Yeah.
Size 6. Taking a nice cigarette. Sorry guys, I don't induce smoking, but yeah. So I got most of the engine done now. Yeah, we're just gonna go over to the engine right now. I forgot about this fuel strainer. I want to see if that goes on top of the engine thing. Nobody can comment. Fuel strainer doesn't go over the fuel pump, you idiot. I don't know. I've never done this before. So, yeah. Is the fuel mint? Is the fuel pump? Okay, hold on. Oh, okay, finish the cigarette. Okay. God. Okay. Where does the fuel strainer go? Screw that. See you guys in the next video. Peace.